Hello, hello. This is Nigel.
And Jessica. We just wanted to call, not call, but
Tell you guys.
to check in with you to let you know that we are doing good. We're
Yep,
alive. We know
yep.
we've been kind of out of touch, but we are here. We're actually in,
Florida.
yeah, we moved to Sebring. So we bought a
Yep.
house here. So I think that means we're going to be here for a while. So today we're at Hammock State Park.
About 5 minutes from where we live.
It's really, really pretty. It's really pretty.
Yeah, man.
So we just wanted to check in first to thank you also. Thank you for, man, just being
Being
on
with
our journey
us.
with
Yeah,
us.
man.
Yeah, all this
For real.
time. So since 2012, we've been in business and well, we were married first in
Yeah.
2012 and then we kind of went into business right away.
Pretty much, yeah.
Because it wasn't a business, it was a passion
Yeah.
of Nigel's and then
Became a passion of ours.
yeah. So we just want to thank you for being on the journey with us and get ready for some really exciting things. We have our own house now, so
Yep.
we're about to go crazy
I've
making
been busy setting
products.
up the workshop and everything, so it's about to get down with the get down now.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So we're excited and we just want to thank you and let you know that we're still here. And
Thank you for loving us. And
yeah,
we
thank
love
you
you
for,
guys.
yeah, love you. And we do miss all of our friends and, of course, our family
Yeah,
in
man.
California. And
Today we'll be at Victoria Gardens, huh? It's Friday.
yeah,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, man. So, one love, guys, and take care.
all
Until
right.
next time, it's Nigel and Jessica. Love and harmony.
Bye bye.